Oh hey, welcome to a new series that I'm calling, what am I calling this thing? Salutations everybody, Benjamin Brandon here, and welcome to Insta FAQ. This is a series in which I answer all of your frequently asked questions that you throw at me on Instagram about Instagram. Today's FAQ is how do you repost IGTV videos? I'll be showing you two ways to do this, so let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna need to do is head over to Instagram and find the IGTV video that you want to repost. So let's say you're on Benjamin Brandon's IGTV channel, you're like, oh damn, he just did some hacks about the selfie mouse shot. Dope. You'll go ahead and play the video, and then on the bottom, hit those three dots, then copy link. Once you do that, you'll then go over to Repost. One thing that's cool about Repost is once you copy the link from Instagram, it auto-magically transfers into Repost, which is kind of cool. Like I didn't copy and hit paste or anything like that, it just appeared. And at this point, you'll tap on your post. There are a couple of options you're able to do, such as caption to copy. So as is, you can see the original caption here, which is pretty standard. That's what we see in a lot of curation accounts. Well, let's say you have your own caption that you want to use. You can go ahead and tap add new custom caption here, title it whatever you want, enter the caption below, and then that can be transferred into the repost. So you can see on the bottom, I created one, which is just an IGTV repost. Cool video from Axis Benjamin, whatever. Now going back, the one thing I really did like about Repost is this hashtag feature. If I tap on hashtag to copy, I can definitely go ahead and add my own hashtags and create a custom hashtag set. So a lot of us right now are on our notepad or like our Evernote or something that has 50 to 60 hashtags, and we're just copying and pasting them and putting them onto our caption. This is cool because you can just do that once and then you're good to go. It's there forever. So if you can see here, if I tap on IGTV, use these hashtags, if I go back to the copy, you can see that they're on the bottom. So I've created a hashtag set, which is IGTV, and it has a bunch of related hashtags related to IGTV, duh. But let's say you haven't done any hashtag research yet, which A, I would say you need to do that. But B, you can utilize this cool hashtag library that Repost has. So let's say you're into photography. Photography is your niche. You can tap on photography here, and depending on what genre of photography, let's say it's black and white, you can see they did all the hashtag research for you. So you can see all the hashtags that are related to black and white photography. And you can just copy them to your clipboard, set them as your default, or whatever you want. That is pretty dope, I will admit. Now, the only bad thing about the hashtag library is it pretty much just generates large hashtags, which, you know, being on this channel, if you're studying these videos, large hashtags don't really help us small creators out. I mean, I have what, 21 something K followers, and yeah, large hashtags do nothing for me. Instead, we want to use more medium and small hashtags, which this hashtag library doesn't provide. So keep that in mind. Okay, enough about that. So let's say I added my copy and popped in my hashtags. All I do is hit repost. Now here's where you need to pay more attention. Looks like it's gonna take a minute. It's a long video. I shoot 4K, y'all. There we go. Once it's done, it pops you right into Instagram. The next thing you do is you wanna make sure that you hit feed and not story. Or if you wanna post this to the story, you can do that, but feed is for IGTV. So I will tap on feed. Now for this part, you need to make sure that you zoom out of the frame, like that. And the reason you need to do that is to tell Instagram that this is a 9:16 video. Even though right now it looks like a 4:5, it's not. It's weird, I don't know why it's set up that way, but once you upload it, I promise you, it's a 9:16 IGTV video. So let's hit next. Make sure you hit long video, as you can see with the IGTV icon there. That means this will go to IGTV. If you hit short video for whatever reason, you will only get the first minute of that video. So this video was 1 minute and 45 seconds. I would lose the last 45 seconds of the video. So let's tap on long video, hit continue. And at this point, you'll just either add your cover photo or select a frame for your cover photo. That looks good to me. Let's hit next. And once you get to the last area of the upload section, you'll then want to go to description, tap and hold, hit paste, and that's how you get your captions that you created from Repost onto your post on Instagram. That's a lot of posts I'm saying right now. After that, you'll just finish up your uploading workflow and hit post. Boom, dunzos. You're welcome. If that was dope, you need to do me a fave. crush the like button, like right now. Just hit it, hit right there, hit that mauve. What is a mauve? I meant to say mauve, never mind. Now for the second way you can repost Instagram TV videos to your feed, this workflow is entirely on your computer, which if you're anything like me and you do everything on your computer anyway, yes, this is dope. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to Instagram on desktop, find the video you want to repost to your feed, hit share, then copy link. And yeah, you can also just copy the URL. You'll then head to an amazing website that I found called Instagram Downloader. A, that's extremely easy to remember, and B, it's linked below for y'all fam, so don't trip. Paste your link into the field here, then hit download and let it do its magic. Once it's done, all you'll do is simply click download file. This will then extract the original file from Instagram onto your computer. So at that point, you can just go to Instagram's IGTV desktop uploader and do it from there. Choose whichever one works for you, boo-boo. I'm just here for you. Crush the like button if this helped you out and subscribe for more Instagram and IGTV tutorials. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, DM me, let's connect, and I, my beautiful vert friends, will see you on the next tutorial. I'm out.